2026 Winning Key Farm Hambletonian and Oaks were two major races in a full Hambletonian day of celebration at the Meadowlands racetrack in East Rutherford, New Jersey. On Saturday, August 8th, harness racing's best horses, drivers, trainers, and owners assembled to battle it out for top rankings and purse money. The atmosphere and competition were electric, with equally exciting Hambo and Oaks race results.
We just watched the fastest trotter ever go. Incredible. Happened right here in New Jersey.
I'm here with Billy O'Donnell, one of the best standardbred drivers in the history of the sport.
It's a goal for anybody that races at that level to win a race like that, like the Hambletonian or Meadowlands Stakes or any of those big races, right? Breeders' Crowns. But the Hambletonian, it's a special day. It should be a very, very exciting race for both races for them. And I couldn't pick a winner if I tried in those bunches. They're pretty closely knit.
I'm here with Jimmy Tactor. He's a world famous standardbred trainer. Has probably the record in many different areas.
I won the Hambletonian 4 times and also won 8 Oaks myself. This year's Hambletonian is a very open race.
Well, I think they're both wide open races. In the Oaks, the 3 winners, obviously are to be contenders, but I think possibly the favorite is going to be Nezuko Komodo, who has drawn the 2-hole, I believe. The Hambletonian, I think, is going to be a great race. We had, 2 really competitive eliminations. Big Ranger came in from Ohio and really impressed and stamped himself as a top flight colt. Apex has never gone a bad race in his life. Endurance is the same thing. He's been ultra consistent as well. And I think maybe a sleeper could be worse drawing the 2-hole.
I'll go with Apex. He has it all.
In the Hambletonian Oaks, Nezuko Komodo, second best in her elimination. That looks like the horse to beat there. And of course, in the Hambo, the great matchup of the Ohio Invader, Big Ranger, who was so spectacular, winning in 150 in his elimination last week against Apex. The divisional champion from last year has been the favorite in the Hambletonian since last winter.
Oh yeah, no, it's good. It's obviously good to know you're going to get a good draw, but mainly the horse was great. I thought Andy was going past him, but the horse fought hard and really fought him off, so I'm very happy.
Oh, I feel great. We're in the Hambo, so it's a great thing, great feeling.
Hambletonian and Oaks race day events at the Meadowlands. Well, I'm here with Tim Tetrick. He's got 2 horses, one in the Hambo and one in the Oaks. Big day for you today, and we appreciate your time.
Still early in the day, so we haven't seen a race go yet. So I've got 2 quality horses. One drew really good, one drew a bad post, but they're both in good form, and they both deserve to be in the race, and I think they both got a good shot.
With leading driver Dexter Dunn, he's got 1 horse in the Hambo, 1 in the Hambo Oaks.
In the Hambo Oaks, I got a filly called Set Your Sights High. She won elimination last week. She won the filly Swig at Verdun the week before, and she's in good form. Hambo, I've got Apex. He's a lovely horse. He had a good win in his elimination as well. He's got post position 3. And he's second favourite, and hoping for a big run from him.
I'm here with Marcus Melander. He's got, as a trainer, has more horses in these 2 races than anyone else. Got 3 in the Oaks and 3 in the Hambo.
The fillies, we got Nezuko Komodo, Set Your Sights High, Laney W. They're all pretty nice fillies. They all have a chance to win today with the right trip. So they draw good. So it'll be exciting. In the stakes there in the open division, we get Apex, Spencer Hanover, and American Power. Apex obviously one of the favorites. The other 2 got 9 and 10 holes, so might need some luck from there, but they got potential to win, but they need just a little bit of luck.
I'm here with Yannick Gingras. Quite an amazing career. One Hambletonian and 6 Oaks.
Nezuko Komodo in the Oaks. Never drove her. Obviously, it's unfortunate with Scotty, but he's done a tremendous job bringing her to this race. I think she's coming in top form. Great pose. I think most likely, the filly to beat. So my job is to get her in the right spot, and looking forward to the race for sure.
And how about for the Hambo?
The Hambletonian Magic Punk.
I'm here with trainer Noel Daly. He's many years ago won the Hambo with Rod Bond. He's got horse in this year's Hambo and the Oaks.
I got Manoan in the Hambo. He's a long shot, just hoping to sit. We put him in because he's got speed, just looking to sit the fence. finish 4th or 5th, I'll be happy with him. Carve, she can actually win her Oaks division. She won the elimination. Needs luck. She won't outmuscle anybody and win it, but she can win it with a trick.
I'm here with trainer Linda Toscano. She's got a horse that could be worse, and a near immediate change of drivers to Dave Miller from Scott Zarin. But you have a good post position, and you've won this before from the Hambo. Tell me how you feel about this.
Well, I think my horse is going into it as good as a horse can be going into it. His prep races were all real good, and this was unfortunate because I really would have liked to have been able to keep my driver. Both Scotty and Timmy knew the horse well, but I gave David a call, and he was more than willing to come. And I know he wants this race, and I certainly want this race, and he's experienced and seasoned, and we'll just hope for the best.
I'm here with Todd McCarthy of the McCarthy Boys Success.
Got Manoan in the Hambo. He's got the 1 hole. It's a pretty good spot for him there. It's a big step, but he was very good in the elimination. We're going to need a little bit of luck, but no, like I say, I'm happy with our starting points, so we'll go from there. Tina in the Oaks, she's got the 9 hole tough spot, but she's okay at the moment. Tony always has his horses ready when they come here, so we'll need a little bit of luck to go our way in that one, and hopefully we can be in the money somewhere.
We're here with Brett Beckwith. He's on Captain Naughty in the Hambletonian, his first time.
I'm feeling really good. The horse had a really good elim. I'm really happy with his performance in that. I mean, I was happy to pick up the horse, and I picked it up for great connections, so we can see what kind of trip we can work out. We have a great draw. 5's a good spot, gives me options, so we'll play it by ear.
I'm here with James McDonald at the Meadowlands. He's in both the Hambo and the Hambo Oaks.
Yeah, in the Hambletonian Oaks, I'm driving Laney W for Marcus Melander. I had the first time ever sitting behind her. She came in and she was second in her elimination, raced great. In the Hambletonian, I've drawn the dreaded 10 hole with American Power, but he's a special horse. He won the Zwag pretty handy, and I think the trip works out. You know, you're going to hear from him.
We're here with Ronnie Wren. He's in the Hambo. It's his first time in it. He's on AI for the Burke Stables.
It's a great group of horses. You know, he drew a good spot. 6 holes a good spot here. You know, the horse have the ability to do something great today. You know, I'm just going to enjoy the ride.
Winning Key Farm, Hambletonian Oaks. Here they go.
Hambletonian Oaks. I've got the 4 and the 7. Here we go.
Into the first turn, Laney W third on the outside. Nezuko Kamado got away 4th on the inside. Set Your Sights High is 5th. Skimming the Cones is Custom on the inside. 6th, it's ahead of the quarter. And then parked out there, and Bertina Diablo spinning her wheels early with Storybook Love pinned in near the rear of the field with Leading Lady, and Madame Chevelle is the early trailer. And the half was 56-2, and they race to the far turn. Nezuko Kamado is now the target. Carve on the inside second. Now second is Set Your Sights High on the outside as they continued around that far turn. Into the stretch, 125 and 1. And it's Nezuko Kamado under intense pressure. Set Your Sights High trying to keep it going. Pinned in with Trottis. Carve, she needs to shake loose late here. Nezuko Kamado almost home for Jingra. Nezuko Kamado pays off the chalk at 4-5. Then it was Set Your Sight High and a photo, 151 and 4.
Winning connections of owners, trainer, driver, and Hambletonian and Meadowlands executives take part in the celebratory trophy presentation.
This is 7th, right?
Yes, it is.
Must feel amazing.
It feels great. You know, like I said, a little bit bittersweet, but I'll take all these wins.
Marcus, how does it feel? This is your second win. It's got to be great.
Yeah, it feels great. You know, you don't win these every day, so yeah, it feels great.
We're here with injured driver Scott Zarin, who gave today's winning ride to Yannick Gingras. He's congratulating all of Nezuko Kamado S's connections for having just won the Oaks.
Honestly, I'm proud of the filly. Happy for all the connections. You know, I played a part in getting her to this point as a driver, but it would have been wrong for me to be in the bike today. I feel all right. I'll be back before you know it. But it's honestly great to see a great filly race like that.
As the fillies, I mean, there was no surprise there. She was Nezuko Kamado S. She's really something special, and that was in the Oaks, but.
The Hambletonian Stakes. Besides these two horses, Apex and Big Ranger are the drivers that are assigned to them.
Well, obviously, Dexter Dunn is now considered by most to be the best driver in the world. Tim Tetrick was as well. You couldn't choose two better ones right now. Personally, I'd like to see him win it, but I wouldn't be upset if anybody else won it.
And they're off in the Hambletonian Stakes.
Three-year-olds are off and trotting. Big Ranger gets the first call. Off stride goes Magic Punk. Magic Punk broke. Minoan leaves alertly on the inside and darts out there. Off stride, it could be worse. So it's Minoan, and Big Ranger on the outside takes the lead. Apex is third. To the opening quarter they go. Captain Nutty, fourth on the inside, settles in front of Endurance is Captain fifth. Captain 2 lengths there to AI on the inside sixth. Then comes Spencer Hanover and American Power. First quarter was hot, 26-4. Apex makes a move to the front for Dexter Dunn. The half was 54-3. Pretty solid pace here, and Apex is the target. Stalked here by Big Ranger's second. They round the turn with 3/8 to go. Minoan on the inside third. In the stretch of the Hambletonian, Apex on the inside digging in and bracing for Big Ranger on the outside who had a perfect trip. They duel through the stretch here. Apex digs in. Big Ranger on the outside. Stride for stride tussle. Minoan is third. Apex, Big Ranger trying to get to him. Apex on the inside. Big Ranger. Oh, it's too close to call. Apex and Big Ranger. Then Minoan noses apart in 1:49-2, a stakes record and a photo for win in the Hambletonian. What a thriller.
Winning connections of owners, trainer, driver, and Hambletonian and Meadowlands executives take part in the celebratory trophy presentation.
This is your first Hambo, right?
Yeah, it is. Yep.
You must be over the moon. You've got everything else, and this is it.
Yeah, it's a credible feeling, you know. It's such a hard race to win, but yeah, it's the top of the list now for my career.
The first Hambo?
Yeah, it's a fantastic feeling, you know, a great feeling. Can't really describe it.
And you did a double header. You did the Oaks and the Hambo in the same year.
Even, you know, that hasn't melted in yet. So, you know, we'll come home tonight and look at the replays and then, you know,
have a glass of wine and kick back. It was enjoyable watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In the Hamiltonian, it was a great race and a great finish and two great colts. And they'd never been that fast before either. And that was quite a feather in their hat, really. Both of them, they went two tremendous good races.
Neither Dexter Dunn nor Marcus Melander, both one top driver and the other top trainer, had never won the Hambletonian. So for the two of them to match up and do it this year, it was quite an exhilarating experience, especially in the ceremonies afterwards.
Yeah. No, they were pretty excited about it, right? Yeah, this was a great race, and we hope for a whole lot more.
And this is New Jersey's best day of harness racing, so it's so amazing to be here to celebrate everyone about the love of the horse. Thank you, Meadowlands.